Hey YouTube, it's me and my friend Mackenzie. Put bangs on, and I have my ears pierced. I'm gonna get them out like this weekend, I think. And
Ashley's sitting on me.
I'm sorry. And there's Coco. Coco, look into the camera. Yeah, Coco. And you might not know Coco. I can see you.
I know.
And yeah, and Mackenzie, you farted.
No, Ashley farted. Why would it be on me?
Ow. Okay, it's gone.
Oh, phew. Hey, click on something that's really cool. Watch. Wait, watch.
YouTube can see this.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Oh my gosh, it's on you. It's on me, on you.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Take it away.
Birdie.
Sorry. Hold on, just taking a little break here.
Come on, popcorn.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Is good. Whoa. What about me?
Like, go away. Me. In my face. Mackenzie. Hi. Puppy. Okay, I'm changing this to that. And now, we're back in the old days. That's not how ordinary people worked. Now, we're actually in New York.
Yay. I was actually there.
What?
I was actually there.
Yeah. Ooh.
Just at Thanksgiving. I was actually walking
Marcus,
right
if
there.
you're seeing this, hey, miss
I
you.
made ice cream.
Mackenzie. She's my friend. Jill says hi. And yeah. So if you found this, Marcus, you're awesome.
Who? Who's Marcus?
He was a friend. Okay, stop pressing random buttons.
What?
I could change it.
Why do I have such a big head in this?
She's gonna chat. No. Like you're getting literally shot. Ugh. And now I can change it to a camera. Whatever that is. That was a bit
Besties. Me and Connor just recently went out, and then I broke up with him.
We're in bubbles.
Because he was such a dick. Like, he was.
We're in
And
bubbles.
I was telling everyone that.
You're still together?
No.
Look at us. We're
Ooh.
awesome. Yay, I like this one.
No. That we're done, and
We're at a party. Oh no, we're not. We're outside. It looks like I'm a zombie.
what's that?
Oh, wait. It looks like I'm in a shower. We're pixels. Look at my head.
Oh, that's cool.
Just move your head like this. Not your whole body. Woo. And now we're going to this color. Yay. Touch snowflake.
Harlem Shake.
We're a TV. And now there's 4 of us. Yeah, I can punch you 4 times. Candy. touch the candy. And boom. That looks like a black hole. You're blocking it. Okay, so yeah. See you all next week. Bye.
Bye.